everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an LED blinking using Arduino. This is one of the most fundamental projects in electronics and a great way to get started with Arduino. So let's start with introduction. So in this project, we will learn how to create a simple blinking LED project using Arduino. This project is perfect for beginners and help in understanding the basics of Arduino programming and circuit building. So let's talk about the components we need for this project. Firstly, we need a breadboard. Second, Arduino Uno. And third one is some jumper wires to connect the circuit. Fourth one is one LED. And fifth one is 220 ohm resistor. It helps to reduce the flow of current in the circuit. And last one is USB cable that connect the Arduino with PC. Before going further in the video, let's talk about the components we use in this project. Start with breadboard. A breadboard is a rectangular plastical board with a grid of holes used for prototyping and testing electronic circuit. It has a central line that's separated into two equal parts. The upper and the lower holes are connected horizontally, while the central grid of holes are connected vertically to each other. Breadboard is ideal for the testing and prototyping circuit because they allow easy connection, disconnection, and rearrangement of components without causing any damage. So now talk about the LED. LED have two legs. Longer leg represent the anode, means positive, and the shorter one is represent the cathode, means negative. Resistor. It helps to reduce the current flow in a circuit. We can measure the resistance by using these colorful bands. In last, we discuss about Arduino Uno. It is the smallest powerful computer that you can use to control light sensor. It has pin to connect the wires and components like LED. You write the program for it using computer and a special software called the Arduino IDE. So let's start the project. Now start with adding LED into the breadboard before it identifies its leg. Then place the resistor into the same column where the short leg of LED insert. Now we place the resistor into the breadboard. You can see that. Let's connect the free end of resistor to the Arduino by using black jumper wire with ground pin of Arduino. Connect the long leg of LED with pin number 13 in Arduino using red jumper wire. Now connect the Arduino Uno with PC. Now open Arduino IDE. We create a setup function in which we define pin 13 as an output pin. Now we create a loop function. Loop function, we turn the LED on, wait for 1 second, turn it off and wait for another second. This creates a blinking effect in our LED. Now we upload the code. After uploading the code in Arduino IDE, let's see the final demonstration of this project. And there you have it, the LED is blinking. If you enjoy this tutorial, make sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Learn For You